Who made this beat? Twisted Genius, baby.
Never thought that last summer would be your last summer. Never thought that last summer would be your last summer. I give up everything I got just to hear a laugh from you. Give up everything I got just to get a hug and a doubt from you. Whoa. And now this ain't no sad song. This one to celebrate you. It's just to let you know that can't nobody ever replace you. God took his time when he made you, he didn't make two. But just a little time that we spent, I wanna thank you, so thank you. So thank you. I ain't trying to question you, God, but it's just hard to see how why you needed my people with you more than I needed them with me. It left a stain and some pain on my heart, like somebody put a sword in me. Left a hole in my soul, it's kinda hard to feel this void in me. Keep losing the ones I grew up with, it's killing the little boy in me. With trailing Aaron with here, I done did so much shit I wish they could see. Ain't no love, ain't no heart behind my chest, it's just a vacancy. Mama keep on calling me like, go to church with me, baby, please. I cry up in the rain, cause you can't see the tear rolling down my face. I'm tired of putting on all black just to go and heal. Amazing. I'm just a product on my environment, gotta keep the vibe, had I lived the way. I've been trying to mask the pain, but deep inside I really feel the way. You know I love you when you were here, and now you gone, and I still feel the same. I've been trying to stay strong, but I get chill every time I hear your name. If you got somebody gone, then I know that you feel my pain. Never thought that last summer would be your last summer. I give up everything I got just to hear a laugh from you. Give up everything I got just to get a hug and a doubt from you. Whoa. And now this ain't no sad song. This one to celebrate you. It's just to let you know that can't nobody ever replace you. God took his time when he made you, he didn't make two. But just a little time that we spent, I wanna thank you, so thank you.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Unicorn Faces. My real name is Ashley, guys, but I go by Unicorn Faces across all my social media platforms. Now, as you can see, I'm just now taking down the Christmas tree at my shop. We ain't gonna talk about the one that's at my house. That's still up. Anyways, we're getting prepared for today's pop-up shop, which this was Martin Luther King Day. And as you can see, my vendor, Melissa, she is helping me. And these are some of her designs. I want y'all to stop by her page and check her out. She does an amazing job on all her custom tumblers. But we getting everything ready because we about to get started for today. And I hope to see y'all at one of my pop-up shops.
We have lots of fragrances for your home. You can put it in a fan diffuser that uses our pods. We have all of our beautiful smelling waxes. They even have banana nut bread.
Oh, look, you heard him. He said Darth Vader. Let's see.
These are the mini warmers that you could plug into your outlet for the wax.
How cute!
Isn't that adorable?
Oh my god! Oh my god, this is too cute! And here's her scan QR code if you guys would like to order. What does Darth Vader do?
Darth Vader
Darth
is
Vader.
a warmer. He has a red light bulb, so you put your wax in here.
Oh, how cute! Oh, this is cute!
This one, when you plug it in, is a fluorescent pink for the people who like the fluorescent.
Valentine's Day is around the corners, guys. This one is cute. This one is all of this. Yeah, Valentine's Day is around the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, there's a heart.
It's the mini fan diffuser.
Oh.
You can plug it into your computer or your car.
Oh. And y'all don't miss out. Oh, Beauty and the Beast.
Gorgeous.
Oh, come on, give your girlfriend or your wife, your fiance this, and they're gonna think you're the best. Okay. And then we got a mini Darth. And then we have, What's this stuff over here?
These are wall diffusers. So if you have a little child who likes princesses or Minnie or Mickey, they use the pods so you don't have to worry about the wax messing things up.
I see. Okay.
We have our Scentsy Buddies. Kevin from Minions.
Okay.
Cleaning products for the kitchen, for the bathroom.
Oh, y'all got everything.
We do. We even have laundry products.
Oh.
The washer whiffs.
Oh my God.
Smells so good. Dryer disc.
Just take my money. I mean, just take it.
So that's what we're here for.
Dang.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
what do they call it? The fighter.
What you got over here?
Okay, red velvet cheesecake. Red velvet Oreo cake. Oreo cookie cheesecake.
Okay.
Regular red velvet cake.
Okay.
Butter pecan cookies.
Ooh.
Lemon cookies.
Okay.
Strawberry cookies.
Oh.
Banana pudding cookies.
Okay.
Double chocolate chip cookies. Sweet potato pie.
Oh.
Sweet potato pie cheesecake.
Peach cobbler.
cobbler.
Oh.
And 3 different kinds of pound cakes, which is
Orange,
old-fashioned.
creamsicle, key lime, and old fashioned. Ooh. Y'all better
Now
come
I
up.
want to take none of this back home.
Y'all better come up here and get one of these. Vendor spotlight on the owners of Engrave Designs. They have mugs, they have custom tumblers, they have tumblers with matching shot glasses. They have so many items that you guys can choose from for your loved ones. Valentine's Day is coming up, so if you want to get your man something special, you might want to reach out to them because they got the fire stuff. Okay, y'all, it's snowing. Y'all see the snow? Okay, so it's falling down. It's ice, but it's snow. It's snowing! It's snowing, guys. Oh my God. Hey, Simba.
Is it him? Is that the first son of Odin? Under your eyes. Oh.
Guys, we got snow. Oh. Okay, so this is outside my front door. My back door. Yeah. Look.
I don't want to keep dragging you everywhere. It's boring.
Go. You the one who wanted to go out there.
I've already been
About to see how deep this is right here. Look how deep this is.
Daddy's in the front.
It's a winter wonderland in Georgia.
About to die. So she fed it chocolate for the first time. She wants to know how it tastes. But why are they all?
Now the perks of living in Colorado is you have a snow shovel. Yay us. Woo! Hey! Oh, you made a snow
castle.
A snow castle. There we go.
Inside of it.
Now, what if I threw this on y'all? No, no, no. Hey, look, they lit.
Ready? That would be cool. Airhead. Daddy was having fun sweeping the ground earlier.
Oh.
Daddy, look.
Now, how y'all gonna shape that into a snowman? Now, y'all ganging up on him? All right, y'all, so this is my building. I didn't come by here to see what it looked like with snow, but this is what it looks like. It's Sunday, and we still got ice. Let's step on it. Oh, we're going ice skating. Now, if I bust my behind, number one, I'm gonna cry. Because this is all ice, baby. Literally. This is all ice. So what I'm gonna do is take ice. It's all ice. I had literally just said, if I bust my butt on here, I'm gonna cry, number one. See, it's soft right there. Then you get over here, it's ice. Yeah, it's all ice. And then the wind would be blowing. Feel like we're on an ice rink. Ha ha. What? Oh, how they be spinning? You gotta do a triple lux. Whoa. I can always count on Trina. I can always count on my friend to come do stuff with me. Hey. Exactly, and I'm gonna cry because this ice is hard. See? Trina wants to get lunch, so we're at JJ's. JJ's in the daytime. JJ's. So I am going to get. Thank you. Thank you. Woo, we're gonna say our prayer. Look, Lord, I love me some beans and rice. Y'all see this? And I got me a beef empanada. I love the empanadas, y'all.
You're
gonna see in a few minutes.
We need Daryl Green to run down. One place you got sorry ass Captain. I know you do. Somebody you don't believe.